Hi guys, and welcome to Cardmaking with Crystal. Today I'm going to show you how to make a step. It's a flower pot step card. That's what I'm calling it, okay? I found it on Pinterest. I loved it. I had to make it. It folds absolutely flat for mailing. And it's so adorable. You pull it down. If you're new here, be sure to subscribe. I share fun and easy to follow card making and crafting tutorials. Let's make it. Now, this is a really cute card. I am going to score the base right now. These are all the flowers to go in the pot. We're going to put these aside and we're going to score the base and the steps for the flower pot. This is 11 by 4 1/4. We're going to score it 5 1/2. And these two pieces we're scoring at, for the smaller step, it's 4 1/4 by 2 3/4. We're going to score the 2 3/4 side at 1 1 1/4, 2 1/4, and 2 1/2. For the larger little step, it's 4 1/4 by 3 3/4. We're going to score it 1 1/2, 1 3/4, 3 1/4, and 3 1/2. Full on burnishing on my score lines. Now let's build our steps and then we'll start with our card. We're going to keep our card right here and we're going to build our steps. So for our card we need this, and these two. To build your steps, you're simply going to fold in the part that has the small 1/4 inch layer like this. Put some glue on this only, and then fold on the first piece like this to make this box. I'm going to make another one, so fold in this layer like so, and then you're folding down and then down on the first fold. So now we have two steps like this. You're going to fold this one in, leave these folds to the back, and then put glue all over the back of this one. And you're going to stick this one onto this one like so. So we're going to go ahead and start sticking everything on the card right now. This piece is 4 1/4, and I cut it a little short because it has the steps at the bottom by 4 1/2. We're going to stick this onto the card directly. Now I'm going to stick this flower step Now I have a card that looks like this. See? Now let's get our flowers ready to put on the actual card. so much for joining me while we made this card. I absolutely love this card. Like, I want it on my desk. I'm gonna make one for myself. If you like this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel so you don't miss any content, and stay crafty, my friends. If you'd like to support my channel, you can buy me a coffee at buymeacoffee.com at Crystal Best. Bye!